So, here is a quick update video. You guys can either wait till the end or just listen really quick. Update video, brakes coming out soon, clutch video coming out soon, and then video coming out, or you guys can wait till the end of the video for the extended version. But first, let's go for a quick drive. I'll tell you, the mustache and the bikes in the background, fitting. Alright, so, you guys can see the external wastegate works perfectly fine. Forester is looking extra fine. And this, well, we're not sure about yet. But what I can tell you is we have a ton of exciting news on the way. A lot of exciting parts are on the way for the Forester. Let me know what you guys think about the mustache. Seriously, I'm not sure yet. It's been almost a month since I posted a video. You guys are gonna see this video, then you're gonna see the dyno video, and then you're gonna see the clutch video. In that order, because I'm still driving the clutch. I'm still driving on the clutch because I want to see how it does. Not long term, but after some abuse, and let you guys know from there. So far, I'm loving it. McLeod made an outstanding clutch, so shout out to you guys, thank you. So let's get right the hell into the update, and I'll explain. So let's start with, this is high temperature .4 brake fluid in a metal can. Got 2 of those. And we got some brake pads, not sponsored, but Stop Tech if you want to hop in there, slide in the DMs. You know what I'm saying? And they look like they're for Brembos. Interesting. We got some brake pads and some brake fluid. So, as you guys can tell, those are stock ugly calipers and the wheels are very dirty. Why? Let me tell you why. I went for a mountain run up and down a mountain. The brakes kind of were not confidence inspiring in the slightest, and by that I mean holy shit, brake fade. So, it was time for the Brembos. So yes, I finally dropped the Brembos off to Prodigy powder coating. They're the guys I've used in the past. Incredible results. If you guys are in Fishkill or in the neighboring areas and you need powder coat, hit up Prodigy. Update number 1, we got some Brembos on the way, as well as all the accompanying parts, the brackets, the rotors, the pads. We gotta make our own rear e-brake shoes, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. The suspension is not all that confidence inspiring, and by that I mean going in turns and throwing the car into the turns. It doesn't give you that warm and fuzzy feeling of like, I got you, you're safe, I got you, bro. It's more like the, okay, yeah, we're in the turn, shit. There's no lying that the WRX struts have done their job and it's time to retire them. But we are going to be installing a set of Fortune Auto Coilovers on the car, which I'm super excited because my buddy Ben Thorne, short Ben from Gears and Gasoline, great channel, give me a shout out, Ben. Really, you guys owe me a shout out for giving me my hood scoop. So I've been in contact with Ben, who put me in contact with Devin, and between the two of them, they were able to kind of guide me in what exactly I needed. 2 things I said I was gonna wait on were Brembos and coils. However, after that one mountain drive, that the power was there, but I wasn't able to confidently put it down. And after hearing some feedback of, wow, your car was squatting like hell in the turns, yeah, I think it's time for some coils, yeah. Got a ton of videos on the way. Like installing an STI cluster. The reason I haven't put the bezel back on is because I'm waiting to show you guys how to install the cluster with the harness and then trim the bezel to get almost next to no gaps. So I'm waiting for you guys. I got you guys. I gotta film that one. Showing off the gauge install from B&A Solutions, made the pod. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite parts of the car. And then all this is gonna be black because I just hate the gray. The gray is so boring. Maybe we'll swap out the STICs for something else. I don't know. I love them. But I think it's time to change things up. So I'm gonna head on home now. I'm gonna edit this video super quick, finish the dyno video, so you guys will have this video, dyno video, clutch video, coilover video, Brembo video, STI cluster video, Illuminati solid transmission mount video, rear lateral link video. You guys got a lot more videos on the way. We're back in full effect, everybody. So if you guys want to stay most up to date, look at my Instagram, Cars and Cody. I'm always posting updates and stuff like that, as well as make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. I think we're close to 2,500. We might pass that, but 3,000. We're coming up on you. If you guys get 3,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, we'll do a burnout. We're not gonna do a burnout, but we'll do a burnout. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.